Hi everybody! A lot of you have been watching us on our chemical peel journey and we love it. And a lot have asked what you can do at home while you are quarantining yourselves. So we have put together a little at home peel kit, if you will. And this is really nice because it's fairly gentle. You will have some peeling, but it's controllable. And what we would start with is our Saturday Night Bright. So it's an exfoliant and a cleanser, and it's very nice. It's a creamy polish, and we call it Saturday Night Bright. So this you would use in the morning and the evening. Then we just ordered everybody our at-home peel pads. So basically you take this cover off, it's a already saturated pad, and that has 20% glycolic acid. So that's really gonna be nice and tingly. It's gonna give you a lot of bang for your buck, so to speak, in terms of, we have other complexion correction pads and brightening pads that are either, 5% salicylic acid or 5% glycolic acid with 2% salicylic acid. So really, really minor that you could use every day. This 20% glycolic acid is really going to make you peel. It may not give you a sheet peel as if, we were doing this in the spa, but it's going to give you a nice result. And then you're going to do at nighttime, you're going to use your Saturday Night Bright, which is your alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy acid exfoliating cleanser, and our wrinkle repair. So this is our retinol. And you're gonna put this on at nighttime, and basically you may have a little bit of irritation, and if so, just let us know. We are going to, for the first 12 people who do want to order these at-home peels, then we're giving the first 12 people our lipid barrier cream, which is really nice to put on. It's very soothing and just will help, with kind of hydrating, keeping the hydration in and so forth. So you really want to be protecting the skin layers as they're growing in. So this, even though you may not peel like a sheet, it's really going to help accelerate cell turnover, and it's going to give you that brightening effect, anti-aging effect that you're looking for. So if you're interested in this, just DM us or send us a message, and we'll be happy to put something together for you. Take care.